Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Welcome back once again to my live on my page. Yes, yesterday I was live on my page. I was watching a business convention virtually, which was held in Chula Vista, San Diego, USA. So I was watching it virtually. I Yesterday I showed you all live uh, the one of the presenter, one of the speaker of a convention, business convention, was Bob Dial. We had Jay Shetty. We had Sam Hind. Yes, I believe it's the same name, last person. So there were different presenters. So it was an exciting event that happened. um, uh, we had a business, the company that we are affiliated with had its business anniversary. It was the 51st business anniversary that we celebrated, and people got together for the company's business anniversary from business community. Then we had a business community convention that happened yesterday. It was amazing, amazing. Almost 6,000 people attended from all over the globe, the business convention. It was amazing. People were awarded, and it was such a spectacular event. I will be sharing some of the pictures of my business partners or my friends from the community who attended the convention. So they had really a wonderful time of learning and meeting different business owners from different part of the world. So it's an amazing thing. It really inspires, and these events actually they really inspire and motivate you and make you believe that this business is really real. It's a legitimate business. People are doing it all across the globe. There is nothing to worry about being scammed. Uh, so here I am today once again. A little bit of introduction of myself. My name is Sheetal Lobo. I am a proud child of God. I'm a mother of three amazing young kids, an educator by profession, and also a proud digital business owner and a mentor. And I'm doing this business for last 3+ years, and I love every day of it. I am excited every day to learn something new and gain so much from this business community. I have learned to believe in myself more, and also believe in what I am doing, and believing in the purpose that I am in this business, and why God showed me this business, and why God is giving me the wisdom to learn all of the things that I need to know about this business. So, this is an amazing digital business community and an amazing digital business venture that is awesome. You not only grow financially, but you also grow personally. So, yes, first I want to say thank you to all my viewers, to all my followers who have been following my page, and you have been following me quite some time. You have been watching me, and you have seen my journey, how far I have come. I have still more to walk. My journey is still there. It just I feel I've started. I can see the momentum. I can see the results coming in. I am so blessed and grateful that even when I didn't see result, I believe that God kept me during that time of not seeing result for a reason, so that I could learn and make myself grow, so that I can help people like me, moms like me, parents like me, who are looking for that change in their life, who are looking for that freedom with their family, spend that quality time, and who don't have to worry about the stress about their children's fees, their children studying in the university or in school. So I want to, I am in the position now that I am all ready to guide and mentor and teach people to step into this digital business community, and how they too can start their journey as an entrepreneur. So, being an educator for more than 15 years, I never even dreamt of being an entrepreneur. That was not even my thought. That was not even my second thought or first thought, you can say. I never even thought of it. But but you as we all know that God has a purpose and plan for each one of us. And being his proud daughter, he had a very, very special plan for me, because he wanted me to believe in myself and see the potential that is there in me. He has blessed me immensely. Jesus has blessed me immensely. I started with nothing, but I am so proud that I am in this position. I am I am able to do what I am doing. I am proud of myself that God guided me and gave me the wisdom even to speak here live on the social media platform, which I never even thought that I would be able to do 3 years back. It's all what I've learned from the community, from my business partners, from my mentor, from my coaches, from all my dear friends from the business community. So this is an amazing platform that will help you to rekindle that fire that is long lost because of the pressure of family, because of different priorities that we have in our life as a daughter, as a wife, as a mother. Sometimes we tend to lose out on putting our things first. We keep that as mothers. Most of us, we tend to keep our priorities at the back, and we try to prioritize our children's need and our family needs come first. So I am so proud. I am equally doing that. I am prioritizing my children, prioritizing my growth, and still running my digital business successfully. No matter where I can still run this business successfully. So I want to call out to all the teachers today. As you can see, the topic for today, calling out to all the teachers. Have you ever thought? So all the teachers, if you're watching me or if you will be watching the replay, please do listen to this. Have you ever thought that you can be an entrepreneur, or just your life would be you would retire as an educator? I always thought that, but then my thought changed when I became an entrepreneur. I had I believe that's a God's plan for me to be an entrepreneur, not just work, 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 and retire as a teacher. Yes, I do love what I'm doing, but now I have found my purpose. I have found a reason to give my best, and I'm loving it. And I'm loving it. And I'm once again calling out to all the teachers out there. If you have the will, you can do it. Yes, we always inspire and educate and try to motivate our students to give their best, but we sometimes don't apply what we are teaching to our students. So think about yourself, believe that you can do it. You don't need any experience, you don't need any technical skills. You just need to come how you are, just with the mindset to learn, just with that little desire and with that little spark to learn from your mentor and from your coach and from the community. And you will see that you, being a teacher working full time, still can do this business. I am working still full time and I'm still running this business successfully. I use my time even when I'm free. I use it when I don't have things of any school work. I use it for my business. So and again, I am saying I love what I am doing, and I'm proud of being an entrepreneur, and I'm proud of being called as a teacherpreneur. So, teachers, I know that there are many a times that that we often um, face like no the rot or uh, the bad things that some of the parents tell us. There are many times that we do not get the respect that we deserve as an educator. There are parents who just blasted us without even thinking, or thinking that we are their children's teachers. And it is really heartbreaking that these incidents happen often. But many of us still are stuck to our job, because many of us believe that this is the only source of income that we can have. And if we do not want to, even if you do not feel like working in such a situation with so much of disrespect from the parents, or your or from your school authorities, you still cannot leave the job. But you drink that bitter drink of that sadness, and you still give yourself up. Every day you wake up and show yourself for your job, and you still work on your lessons, and you give the best. But I want to say today that yes, we all love what we are doing. Each one of us love it. Our job as an educator, we are actually uh, we are actually like the children are. As I'm teaching the lower grades, I know that the children are like clay, and we are the potters. We are molding them. So I know everybody, all the teachers, I know that some of all of us have the passion to teach. All of us have the desire to teach well and help our children to learn well. But we also need that respect and love from our students, as well as from the parents and from the authorities that we work with. So I want to ask you, parents and teachers, if you're really thinking of something that could help you in your life, just believe me. If you are seeing me here, if you are seeing this live on your page, or if you are seeing the replay of it, if it pops up on your page, just believe me, this you're seeing this for a reason. This is the reason that God is showing you my video, or if you're seeing my ad on your page, for a reason God is showing this to you, because He has a very beautiful plan and purpose for you and your family. So take that leap of faith, and see what this business can do for you, how it has changed my life, how I am able to manage my expenses, how I am able to learn and grow and help others to start their business and support them in their business journey. You can also do it. Yes. So I want to bring this live to an end today, and I hope everybody had a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Here in UAE, the schools are slowly closing down for summer. Today was the last day of exam in my school, and so I have got a lot of paper corrections left back. So tomorrow is the day of paper corrections for me. So take care, all of you, and I hope everybody has a wonderful and a blessed week ahead. Take care of yourself. God bless you all, and bye bye, and see you all tomorrow. Good night from Abu Dhabi, UAE. And do let me know from where are you tuning in from, and just put it in the comment below from where are you tuning in from. I'm going to go back and watch the replay of the business convention that I was able to watch a part of it. I'm going to watch the remaining part of it today. So take care, all of you. God bless you all. Have a wonderful and a blessed day and a week ahead. Bye bye, and see you all tomorrow.